back, everyone, to Three Themes Live. I'm Kris.
I'm Kyle.
And we are here to talk to you about a ruler that is pretty dang cool because it's not your typical log cabin.
No.
With a typical log cabin, we're looking at the same size width of strips, but the reason why this one is different is because we have a very thin strip that goes here and a very thin strip here and a thin strip here, where these are actually much wider, aren't they? Mm-hmm. So that is what gives us the illusion of a circle or a curve.
Mm-hmm. This is a block completed.
Okay.
Okay, so that is my center block.
Okay. It will tell you all these instructions.
Yes, it will.
Okay.
And you see this one? That doesn't match.
No, it doesn't.
That is not the same size. And I'm like, oh, did I cut the instructions wrong? No. What you need to do, and here they are, right here. I'm going to sew the white to the blue.
Okay.
It doesn't matter which way you go on this one, okay?
All right.
So we're going to sew those together. So our next one is going to be another blue. So I'm going to attach this to the blue and the white. So it has to be as long as the two are joined.
Okay. Sure.
So we're going to sew that.
Okay.
There we are. They're the same size mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
they're
that's
a little
okay.
ski-wampus.
They are. We like it that way.
But that's the beauty of this ruler, is because even if you get off just a little bit, this ruler gets you right back on track.
Absolutely. Here's my white. I've left it 9 inches long.
Okay, and this is a much narrower strip.
It is the narrower one. It goes right there.
Okay.
And how do I know?
We are going
how
around.
do you know?
Because we're going around and you're doing it in between the two that were just sewn.
You are just so smart. Yep.
Yeah.
Good job. Wow, that's really long.
That is really long. What are we going to do?
We're going to actually trim that off. I'm not trimming my block.
Okay. But just to give it, to make it a little bit easier to work with. Okay. That's one of the things that's great about this. I mean, I could even put it like that, right?
Yes. We're not trimming it. We are not trimming our block.
We're just making it doable. Okay.
Yes, so it's
workable.
Right. Okay. So then, what are we going to do now?
My guess is we're going to add another white block, right?
And that, yes, we're going to add another one.
Okay.
And this is still part of the 9-inch block. So we can do a complete...
Oh, that 9-inch strip.
Yeah,
right.
Whatever it is. Yes.
Yeah.
And where are we going to put this one?
My guess is right here.
Okay. Good job. So we've got this.
All right.
I want it to end up looking like this.
Okay, so let's see. I think I'm going to put it right here because it says narrow round 1.
Good
job. This is that square, and that's going to be what I trim off,
You're
right?
just trimming 2 sides. The narrow side.
Okay, and then am I going to turn it?
Yes,
okay.
You are going to, because you're
now
still on the narrow. We don't want the narrow.
No, I want the wider
wide.
now,
yes.
right? Okay.
And round 1.
Yes.
Because we're still on round 1.
So this is wide, round 1.
Good job.
My square goes over that center square, and now I know exactly where to trim it.
Because
right?
you have lined up this line
That's
on your seam.
Makes it perfect. All right. Oh, my goodness. I'm just giddy. Okay. All right. Here we go. Look at that. I'm not...
Good job.
Having to strain my arm around.
No.
There we go.
Look
wow,
perfect.
Look at that.
Look at that. We got 2 exactly the same. Okay, so then the next one, I just skipped. And look at this.
Oh, no. What are we going to do, Kyle?
We're going to trim this.
Okay.
Because this is ready to be trimmed.
Sure.
Because now we're on our 2nd row of the yellow and 2nd row of the white.
Of the white. So... My guess is going to be if this was my center square,
right?
Correct? And I'm going to go on the narrow side, round 2, because are we on round 2?
We are on
round 2. Okay, so I'm going to
But
uh-oh,
we've got to turn this like this, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Because we're only trimming 2 sides.
Only 2 sides. You are right.
And they are marked so you can see them.
So you can see right here that it goes right on that seam allowance.
And they actually fit. It actually lines up. That's the amazing thing.
Okay, so I'm going to trim here and again right there. All right.
Awesome.
Okay. Whoops.
Okay, we still have a long tail.
We do.
And we have something that didn't quite line up. I did that on purpose, you guys, okay? Just so you know.
Absolutely. Okay. So my guess is we're going to go to wide round 2.
Right. On the
Place
other
it right
side,
over
it's
top.
all the round cuts.
I mean, it tells you right there what to do.
It's
okay.
so
this
simple.
is
Look at,
fabulous.
see?
It's not.
I'm magical.
It's all working out, Kyle.
Phew.
Okay, so here we go.
Perfect. Perfect.
Wow.
Then
okay, so you just keep on doing this round
going.
and round. Look
There
at
it is.
that.
And this is trimmed. Look at this. Look at this. It's the exact size.
Whoa, whoa, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
I love it because all my blocks will match up.
Oh my goodness. So
there
again,
any
if
questions?
you are not exact with your trimming, if you are not exact with your sewing, this ruler makes it perfect.